Inaalam na ng otoridad kung may banta sa buhay ni dating DPWH Undersecretary Catalina Cabral. Inaantay din nila ang resulta ng DNA test kahit patugma ang fingerprints ni Cabral sa natagpuang labi sa bangin ng Tuba, Benguet. Yan ang ulat ni Ryan Lesiges.
Iniimbestigahan na ng Philippine National Police ang ilang gamit na nakuha ng NBI at ng CIDG sa kwarto ng hotel kung saan huling nag-check-in si dating DPWH Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cabral. Ayon kay Acting Chief PNP Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr., kabilang sa nakuha sa hotel room ay gamot at kutsilyo.
If we're talking about the knife, the items that were recovered, yung knife or self-protection or panggamit niya lang inside the bag. While the medication, we secure that, we put that into the study. That's why the cadaver, kumuha tayo ng, during the conduct of autopsy, we also took tissues so that we can study if these medications were used.
Ang DILG naman iginiit na walang third party involved kaugnay sa pagkamatay ni Cabral. Sabi ni DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla na batay sa post-mortem examination sa katawan ni Cabral, lumalabas na sinadya nitong kitilin ang kanyang sariling buhay.
Well, the post-mortem examination showed extensive facial injuries on the right side of her face, extensive injuries on the rear of her skull, extensive injuries to her the right side of her rib cage and her hands. It shows a forward motion drop from the tip.
Sa ngayon ay inaantay pa rin ng DILG ang DNA result ni Cabral.
But the fingerprints and the fingerprints match, her pictures match. The problem was that the old photos and the new ones may discrepancy contact kasi we think that there was plastic surgery done beforehand. And so medyo magkaiba eh. But otherwise, all the biometric features show that it is her with great degree of certainty.
Bagamat hindi pa tapos ang investigasyon, sinabi ng kalihim na lusot na sa asunto ang driver ni Cabral.
Yes, he is still a person of interest. He's still together in the background, but to our investigation so far, we see no conclusive links with him and the fall of Yusek Cabral.
Bago siya nagpakamatay, sinisilip na rin nila kung sino-sino ang huling nakausap ng dating opisyal bago ang insidente. Hawak na rin ng mga otoridad ang kuha ng CCTV mula sa pagpasok nito sa hotel sa Baguio, pagkain ng pananghalian at muling pagbaba sa hotel. Si Cabral ay isa sa dalawang itinuturing na principal architects sa issue ng flood control mess. Ryan Lesiges para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.